Magandang araw mga kaplanadong buhay. This is Captain Chris Cervantes, your guide to a smarter mind, a braver heart, and a life that is always 10 steps ahead. And today, we're not talking about the usual. Not just budgeting, not just investing, not just mindset. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang galaw ng mundo. Because, whether we like it or not, ang takbo ng mundo ang nagdidikta ng takbo ng pera mo, ng career mo, ng business mo, at ng future na bubuuin mo. If you want 2026 to be your breakthrough year, you cannot plan in isolation. You must plan with global intelligence. Kasi, eto ang katotohanang matagal nang nangyayari, pero bihira nating napag-uusapan. Your money is affected by global trends. Your job is affected by global shifts. Your business is affected by global demand. Your success is affected by global competition. Your future is shaped by forces far bigger than the Philippines. Pero teka lang, huwag matakot dahil may isang napakalaking good news. If you don't understand the word early, you don't drown, you surf. You don't panic, you prepare. You don't fear, you forecast. Today, we will talk about the 10 global forces of 2026 that will shape your money, job, business, and the entire way of living. Ang lahat ng ito ay hango sa research ng Harvard, MIT, Oxford, World Economic Forum, McKinsey, IMF and World Bank, Deloitte and PwC Megatrends, UBS Global Wealth Report. Pero syempre hindi lang tayo pa-intelligence contest. Gagawin natin itong simple, relevant at actionable. Ready ka na? Because after this episode, you will not just see 2026 differently. You will choose differently. You will act differently and you will live differently.
Planadong buhay sa kardinal buhay. Laging may gabay, hindi ka mawawala.
Ayon sa IMF, tapos na ang panahon ng US-only world. We now live in a tripolar economy led by United States, China, and India. Tinawag ito ng Harvard Kennedy School as the Great Realignment. Ibig sabihin, jobs will move, money will shift, businesses will migrate, power will diversify, at ang pinakamahalaga, opportunities will spread globally. Para sa'yo, anong ibig sabihin nito? More remote work opportunities, more Asian-centered business influence, more global competition, but much more global access. Kaya ang first action for 2026, develop a skill that the world needs, not just your barangay. Because next year, your competition is no longer your kapitbahay. Your competition is someone in India, Vietnam, or Poland. But if they are your competition, the world is also your market. Ang sabi ng McKinsey, by 2030 daw, AI will replace 12 million jobs but will create 97 million new roles. At sabi ng World Economic Forum, this is now the augmented workforce era. Ang ibig sabihin, AI won't replace you, but a person using AI will. If you are not using AI today, you're already behind. Para sa mga OFWs at seafarers, AI is replacing data entry, basic accounting, routine customer support, transcription, some engineering tasks. Pero AI cannot replace empathy, leadership, creativity, decision-making, judgment, strategy, and human connection. Kaya ang action, learn AI literacy, not coding. Learn AI prompting, not programming. Hindi mo kailangan maging techie, kailangan mo lang maging ahead. Ayon sa World Bank, pumasok na daw tayo sa dekada ng high inflation, high interest, high cost of living. Ito ang tinatawag ng mga economists na sticky inflation era. Ang ibig sabihin, hindi na babalik sa presyo ng dati. Tumataas ang presyo pero ang sweldo mabagal. Kaya 2026 strategy cannot be paano ako magsasurvive. It must be paano ako lalago. Growth budgeting means multiple income streams, automated savings, inflation-proof investments, skills that increase your earning power. Tandaan, kung hindi ka mag-a-adjust sa presyo, ang presyo ang mag-a-adjust ng buhay mo. Sabi ng UBS Global Wealth Report, the next 5 years will be unstable markets, unpredictable rates, inconsistent growth. But here's the twist. Volatility is not a threat. Volatility is a discount season for the discipline. Ayon sa MIT Sloan, great investors don't predict the market. They prepare for it. So ano ang action natin for 2026? Invest consistently. Use peso cost averaging. Focus on long-term discipline. Volatility punishes the emotional. Volatility rewards the prepared. Deloitte reports that 70% of high-paying jobs in 2026 require skills that did not exist in 2020. The new global currencies, digital skills, communication, leadership and influence, critical thinking, financial literacy, creativity, and entrepreneurship. Your diploma won't save you. Your adaptability will. The world no longer pays for information. Google has that. The world pays for application, insight, and skill. Kung dati ang labanan ay kung paano maging higante at dambuhala, ngayon, ayon sa PwC, small is equal to fast. Ang mga maliliit daw ay mas flexible, and small is equal to creativity. This is why small businesses will rise in 2026, even while big corporations struggle. And guess who has the most potential? OFWs and seafarers. Because you have global exposure, discipline, pressure tolerance, and long-term mindset. So ano ang dapat natin gawin ngayong 2026? Start small, test fast, scale smart. Hindi kailangan bongga agad. Kailangan lang planado ang ginagawa natin. According to Harvard's Future of Work study, the rich are getting richer not because of luck, but because of systems. They have automation, better information, assets, and compounding. And the poor, they're stuck because of outdated skills, single income, emotional spending, and lack of financial literacy. Mga kabaro, hindi natin matatalo ang inequality sa pamamagitan ng pagrereklamo. Matatalo natin ito sa pag-aaral, sa pag-upgrade, sa pag-adapt at sa pagpaplano. Oxford research shows strong mental health increases productivity by 31%. That means clear mind is equal to better decision. And also, stable emotions is equal to consistent discipline. Your brain is your most profitable asset. Protect it the same way you protect your income. Harvard's 85-year happiness study reveals, purpose daw na dinagdagan ng strong relationships, ito daw ang magdadala sa atin sa long-term success. People today are changing. They no longer chase income. They chase impact. This reshapes spending, work decisions, business choices, and mentorship. And this is exactly our mission at Cardinal Buhay Financials, to guide Filipinos into a life of meaning, clarity, and abundance. Kung kailangan mo ng gabay, message us. Kung ikaw naman ang may kakayahang maggabay sa iba, sumama ka sa amin. Become a partner in transforming Filipino lives. Your purpose is not just your motivation. Your purpose is your competitive advantage. Ayon sa McKinsey, by 2030, the most successful people will be forward-looking, financially literate, emotionally stable, technologically updated, continuously learning, highly adaptable. Sabi nga ni Charles Darwin, it is not the strongest to survive, nor the most intelligent, but the most adaptable. This is the era where a tricycle driver can become a millionaire, a seafarer can become a CEO, an OFW can become a global founder, a student can become an innovator, because the world no longer rewards status. The world rewards skill and speed. Mga kaplanadong buhay, 2026 will not be easy, but it will be a year of opportunity for those who are prepared. The world is changing fast, but you can change faster. Remember, you don't control the world, but you control your response. And when you understand the world, you stop reacting and you start leading. This is the moment to rise, to upgrade, to adapt, to design the life you deserve. Ako si Captain Chris Cervantes, reminding you, the world is changing, but with clarity, discipline, and purpose, you can change faster. And when you do, you won't just survive 2026, you will own 2026. Tandaan, maunlad ang pamumuhay sa planadong buhay.
Kardinal